all this is fundamental and tokenomics that I'm showing you right now, guys. This is how to protect your investment. Granted, they're brand new, so I will take that into account. They just joined July 2024, and they already have 10,000 followers. Now, I strongly believe these are bots, 100%. Because if you just joined in July, so that's 7, 8, 9. So we'll just say in 2 months, you have 10,000 followers in 2 months. I call baloney. They bought people. I'm willing to bet my life. I'm willing to bet my portfolio. Granted, it's only $14, but I am willing to bet everything in my possession. They 100% bought their followers. 100%. Now, let's just say in 2 months, this group, this person, this entity has gained a traction of 10.8 thousand followers. Now, all this is fundamental and tokenomics that I'm showing you right now, guys. This is how to protect your investment. 10.8 thousand followers in 2 months. In 2 months. Now, for the real test, just imagine you have a coin that came out, brand new coin. You're part of the beginning community. Do you know what you're going to be doing? You're going to be telling everybody in the world that this is the latest and greatest and blah, blah, blah. So you can get the hype coming in. The more hype, the more buyers. The more buyers, the more we can sell going up. So the more money we're going to make, we're going to see 30, 40, 50% gains like quick because of such low market cap. Now understand, within 2 months, 10.8 thousand followers. So right now, I would be liking the post, I'd be sharing the post, I'd be retweeting, I'd be doing comments. I would try my best to get this out to as many people as possible. 10.8 thousand followers. Now granted, I haven't seen it. We're gonna see it right now. Let's look. So they posted this and pinned it, or rather they pinned it August 8th. Telegram, blah, blah, etc., etc. It's been seen by 31,000 people. So more than likely it has been paid for to get out there. 200 likes. Wait a minute. You have 10.8 thousand people. 2 months. This is a 2-month project. Did they lose interest that fast already? It's only been shared 62 times. But you have 10.8 thousand people who are brand new into this. All the hype is still there. I'm trying to get it out to as many people as possible. Really? 48 likes. September 5th, 78 likes. September 4th, 93 likes. September 3rd, 91 likes. September 2nd. So they're doing one post a day, which we can see, and it's getting the same amount of likes, about 100 people. Same amount of retweets, 20s. Same amount of comments. So once again, on a rating from 1 to 10, 1 being the absolute worst, this is a 1. Okay, so they, watch this, guys. Watch this. So they had a X space. 10.8 thousand people who are very, very highly interested and motivated to pump this coin. They had 96 people tune in. Could this be the same 96 people that are doing all these likes? Think about that. Oh, they canceled it. Did they cancel it so that they could revisit this or whatever to where they tuned in? Don't hate me. Don't hate me for what I'm doing, but I'm showing people how to basically find a coin that is not going to rug on them. This right here screams rug. If you have money, stop messing around. Do the VIP. if you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So if you want just to support the channel, just say, hey Joe, you're the best, and you will become my favorite. It's $19 a month if you want to do that. And then of course, if you want to do the monthly with a credit card, it's right here. It's $99 a month. And of course, you get all this stuff. And then of course, if you want to do lifetime, here's a lifetime. Here's a lifetime. Now, if you want to pay with a crypto, then just send me a message on Telegram. Okay, so let's see here. Market cap is 1.1 million. Buyers, sellers. Now, of course, the buyers could be the team. You know, the team may be buying it and then selling it just to make sure that there's still price action. Because if nobody's watching this, the price will stay here. 26.33. Has it moved? No. Will it move? Very slowly. Why? It's because the owners, the devs, they have to create a bot, which they've already done, I'm sure of it, to buy, then wait, then sell, then wait, then buy, just so that there's activity on here. 15 minutes ago was the last sell. Y'all see this? Nobody is looking at this coin. 16 minutes ago was the sell. 27 minutes ago was a buy. Beefy, I'm not trying to beat you up, man, but I'm telling you right now, this coin is trash. Now, can it make you, like I said, 100 extra money? Yes, definitely, of course. High risk, high reward. Would I put $5 into this coin? No. Why? Because how much is the gas fees? So if you can let me know in the chat right now, please, what are the gas fees on Uniswap? What are the gas fees on Uniswap? Let me know. Is it $5? Is it $25? Is it $3? Let me know. So, you know, we had a buy $56, buy $44, buy $500. You know, here we have, you know, these numbers look very, very close together. And someone's dumping. Someone's dumping. Look, guys. So here, 18 minutes ago, somebody sold $1,300 worth. Okay. Yeah, the Explorer. I mean, I could do the Explorer. So here's somebody bought $1,300 worth. I mean, sold. Then somebody sold 5 hours, 6 hours before that, 1,300 of them. And then somebody before that, like an hour before that, or a few minutes before that, 1,300. Like, these are pretty random numbers, but are they really? I'm positive. I'm very positive. The same person. And for those that know how to do the Explorer, check it out. See if this is the same person. I'm pretty sure it is. And then I'm pretty sure that same person is the one who did this one too. And this one. And this one. I seriously doubt there was somebody who bought, you know, 5 million of these tokens and selling them right now, because now granted, the price has come down. Get down. So let's just say they bought here and they are the ones that it came all the way up. And now they're dumping and dumping and dumping. They're selling at a huge loss. Plus, every time they're doing a transaction, they're paying the gas fees. So the gas fees right now are only $10. Wow. Very nice. So if somebody gave me $50 and I had to spend it, I could not save it, I could not put it into a coin, and they said, go into the highest, the most riskiest coin you can think of at the moment. I said, well, there's one coin that I don't think is going to do anything. And it's this one, Fifi. So let's say I put $50 into this coin. Would I do it right now? No, definitely not. Why? Because more than likely it's going to continue to dump. More than likely it's going to continue to dump. Why do I say that? Well, because at listing it was right here, and I'm pretty sure the owners, the devs and everybody else who's probably got the coins, they're going to keep on selling it until it goes to zero. This one I believe will be a rug. Now, do I know for sure? No, definitely not. Definitely not. But if I had $50 and they were telling me, one of the latest high risky ones that you can think of, I would do this. And a matter of fact, I would, let's go. I hate not knowing where all this crap is. Anyway, it doesn't even matter. I would set an alert, or at least look at it above this wick. The 4 hour, shoot man, the daily has to close above this level that I just did, 0.006071. If it doesn't, move on. If it does, call me, because I need to buy a lottery ticket, like all the lottery tickets, like in every single lottery that they have. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.